Let's talk about mDesign pan lid holder and Organiser versatile kitchen accessories saucepan lid storage for holding pot covers and kitchen accessories chrome silver. Spacious design, this awesome kitchen rack can store up to 6 different lids at the same time, helping you keep your cooking spaces and accessories tidy. Sturdy materials. One of the first things you will notice about the saucepan lid holder is that it features a sturdy design, and that it's built with durable materials. Easy to assemble, pan lid storage has never been this easy, as this metal lid holder is easy to put together and brings all components necessary to make the assembly process a breeze. Matches all decoration styles. This stylish saucepan lid rack is a perfect match for all decor styles and color combinations. Dynamic and compact. One of the best parts about this pan lid rack is that it offers a lot of storage while still being compact, as it measures 27.4 centimeters by 9.7 centimeters by 42.6 centimeters. Good solid space saver. Had to use smaller screws for the door, as the ones that came were too long. Excellent product. Has freed up so much cupboard space. Only issue is that some of my pan lids have long handles rather than round, but they still just about fit. Easy to install. Well made and good quality. Unfortunately, I had to return because the folder was wider than my cupboard had space for.